In this video, we are going to learn how to make money online in Canada, specifically through survey websites. And if you want to learn how to make a full-time income online, you can check out the first link in the description below. This is a completely free course taught by Zach Crawford. And the great thing about Zach Crawford is he doesn't use his own income statements or fancy cars to show that he's making money online. He does it through his successful students. And once inside, you will be able to see a bunch of his students from many different countries, including Canada, the US, Australia, Costa Rica, and Indonesia. But let's get into these videos on how to make money online through survey websites. So the first one is Swagbucks. They're a really big website across many different countries. The great thing in Canada is you can get cash back with Amazon. And I am a big Amazon shopper, so just being able to getting extra money back for spending things I was already going to spend on Amazon is great. And all you have to do is click on the Join Today if you're not a member. I believe there was a couple questions you have to fill out, but nothing too invasive there. The next one is Maru Voice Canada. They do say that they are one of the highest paying survey providers in Canada. And all you have to do is click on the Join Now button here and sign up with them. And all of these are free to sign up. They don't ask for credit cards or anything. And no website should ask for a credit card or anything like that for surveys. The next one is Survey Junkie. And to sign up with them, you just have to click on the Join Now button and click on the Sign Up and fill out a little bit more information and get going with them. This next one, Daily Rewards, is a cool website. And one, you get free $5 for signing up. This is not through an affiliate link or anything. This is something that anybody can get if you sign up with Daily Rewards. The other cool thing with Daily Rewards is the next few survey sites that I do mention. If you sign up through Daily Rewards will pay you a little bit to do that as well. So that's a cool thing. All you have to do, put in an email address, create a password, sign me up. Because these are survey sites, they will ask you for your profile information. So do you work, things like that. This way they can send you surveys that are relevant to your circumstances. The next one is isay.com. And again, all of these links will be in the description below, so you don't have to remember them. So with these guys, if you sign up through Daily Rewards, you get extra money. If not, you can just click on the Join Now, and it will take you through. You have to fill out which country you're from, name, email address. These are all pretty standard for most of these survey sites. The next one is Pinecone Research. Again, you can get money from Daily Rewards if you sign up for Pinecone with them. The next one after Pinecone is Cashcrate. To sign up with them, you just have to, sign up, just put your email there and click on Join Now for them. LifePointsPanel.com. These guys used to be, I'm just looking at my notes here, Global Test Market. Global Test Market has been around for a very long time. They have rebranded and recreated their website, and it is now LifePoints. And you just click on the Join Now button with them. Again, fill out your standard information. The next one after them is iSurvey World. the cool thing with them as well is you get $5 just for signing up. And again, see Canada. So fill out your information and then agree to the terms and services and then click on join for free. And the next one is VIP Voice. And to sign up with them, you just have to click on the join now or join here as well to get started with them. And the last one here that is currently available is Opinion Outpost. And again, you just have to fill this information out, click the join now to get started with them. Now I'm going to show you two more. They're currently not accepting people as of this recording, but if you add them to Facebook or something and when they open up, there's just 2 extra ways to get more surveys for you. And this next one is Web Perspective, and if you click join now right now, it's just going to take you to a page and saying that they're not accepting currently, but you can follow them on their Facebook page for updates. And so there's them, and then Harrison Polls Online, which has been around for a really long time. They're currently not accepting new people, but when they do, you will be able to sign up on the homepage, obviously. So those are the ones in Canada that are reputable and that pay you money for surveys. And if you have any questions or if I missed out any survey companies that you use, leave them in the description below. Thank you for your time. This is Travis, the Digital Marketing Nomad. If you like this video, please thumbs up, like, and subscribe.